this stay order is likely going to hurt the other side in a way that they might even come on the table for a settlement. We're just going to have to wait and see. Notice will first have to be served on the other side, after which they will become aware that indeed a stay order has been passed.
नहीं, मैंने देखा ही नहीं मैं उसको कौन है क्या नहीं है, बस मैंने सुना है वो पुलिस वाला था। उसमें तो वो बोलने कि ये मर्डर इसने किया है, ठीक है, ये चौकी में कहीं मर्डर हुआ है, बोलने लगे कि ये इनका दोस्त था और इसने इसको मार के और ये 7 की लाशें लेके चला गया।
अब इस बुनियाद पर ये सारे बुनियादों पर हमने बेल एप्लीकेशन मूव की और अदालत ने 2 लाख रुपए की ज़मानत मंजूर कर दी। अब उसके बावजूद वो अब तक जेल में। उसका कहना यह है कि मुझे डर यह है कि जब बेगुनाह ये मुझे इस केस में बंद कर सकते हैं तो पुलिस वाले अगर मैं बाहर निकलूंगा तो मुझे मार भी सकते हैं।
I hope court definitely go for justice and we get the relief from these culprit people. This case is I think from 7 to 8 months, and between this 7 to 8 months there are some problems in the judiciary, as I tell you before, that this type of problem is coming up. That's why it takes time. Otherwise, now the case is coming in a very near, dates are very close. So far the justice, the price of justice is not cheap. ये बहुत महंगा है। लॉयर्स की फ़ीस, कोर्ट के एक्सपेंसेस, डेट्स पे आना, डेट्स पे जाना, अपना काम छोड़ के कंसंट्रेशन देना, अपने केस को अपने लॉयर को समझाना, इट्स एक्सपेंसिव और टाइम कंज्यूमिंग भी बहुत ज़्यादा।
2 साल हो गए तकरीबन जेल के अंदर, कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है। यहाँ पे कोर्ट में आता हूँ, मुझे तारीख दे देते हैं, महीने की तारीख दे देते हैं, वापसी चले जाते हैं।
If you kindly calculate, there are hardly 240 minutes. The court starts at 8:30 in the morning. Until 10:30, it is 2 hours. A short break between 10:30 and 11, half an hour. Then from 11 or 11:30, hardly 2 hours. 4 hours, that means 240 minutes. If there are 20 cases, how is it humanly possible for any judge to proceed with all those cases? If one witness is examined, and that takes more than half an hour or 1 hour, is it possible that the entire evidence available on that day is to be recorded?
This is indeed a system from which a lot of people get justice. It's a matter of pursuing your rights. Because in Pakistan, you don't get anything until you've really pursued, you've endeavored, you have followed up. And that's exactly what you have to do in the judicial system. You've got to follow your rights, you've got to get after your lawyer, you've got to make it happen. And I've seen by and large that, invariably the clients that are able to do that do end up getting the orders that, basically mean relief from the high courts and from the courts in the facts of his case.